Okay guys, I got something to talk about. This iPhone 12 Pro Max, I'm having some issues. It's been an issue for a little bit and I want to get into it right after the intro. What's up YouTube? It's Jason here with RedBeeLabs and welcome to another video. Today, I'm going to dive into some issues I'm having with my iPhone 12 Pro Max. I've had these issues, I think I've had these issues from the beginning, but I wasn't sure. I mean, every once in a while it would hit me, but I don't know. As of late, it was hitting me kind of hard. So, I have an issue with my Wi-Fi. So, I will connect it to Wi-Fi. It'll be perfectly fine. Then I'll be watching some videos, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, any kind of thing. And then all of a sudden I'll look up and I see LTE in the corner and I'm like, that can't be right, that can't be right. So I'll go in and I'll try to turn on the Wi-Fi, and as soon as I turn on Wi-Fi, it says, can't connect. Then I do it again. It says, the password's wrong. Put the password in. It says the password's wrong again. I totally rebooted the whole thing, brought it back up, then I log in, and then every once in a while it'll just come right back on and work for a while. And then I notice randomly it'll just go off. And it's kind of suspicious because it always goes off when I'm trying to upload a video or do something that takes a lot of bandwidth anyway. So I realized this when all of a sudden on my iPhone I started getting notifications that from AT&T, my wireless carrier, that I was reaching my max and stuff, or not reaching my max. I have unlimited, but I was doing a lot of data, using a lot of data up, and I was like, that can't really be true because we're quarantined. I'm home most of the time. I'm using Wi-Fi, but I don't know. I kept getting them on there, so I went and I started doing some research online, and honestly, online, man, it's the same thing as usual with Apple. It's your fault. Check your router and check your Wi-Fi cable modem, check your service, unplug everything, make sure that your regular network and your 5G network are separate, just a bunch of things. And normally I would just be like, those are troubleshooting things, that's fine, I get it, you got to go through things. It's like when you tell someone, hey, did you turn it off and turn it back on again? You got to ask. But it's every one of their threads is always like that. It's like, did you? Yes. I did it a million times. Do you think if my Wi-Fi wasn't working, I wouldn't have went and turned it off or got somebody else to reboot it? So getting past that, the problem is still there. I've upgraded to the newest version, and the problem is still there. Now I don't know if these are just iPhone 12s or just the 12 Pro Max or the Mini or all. I don't know, because on my wife's phone, which is a 10s Max, she doesn't have this issue. She is perfectly fine, and she's never had a problem with it. Now, mine, however, I'm always having the issue, and it's quite annoying. I mean, from this point on, I honestly don't know what to do. I'll have stints with like a couple weeks. It'll just be on there, and the Wi-Fi is perfectly fine. Sometimes I get a crazy bug too, where it'll say LTE, and then I'll just slide down, and all of a sudden it'll just connect right back. And so then I was saying, is it just telling me that the LTE is there but it's really on Wi-Fi? Because that could be a thing too, just a bug between the icons changing or whatever. But no, I've been looking at my usage and it's definitely on LTE. So I don't know. I just wanted to reach out and see if you guys were having the same problem. Sorry, this isn't one of those videos where I can end it with, hey, do this and this and this and it fixes it, because I really don't think it's an issue that we can actually fix. I think it's Apple has to fix it, or a hardware problem on the iPhone. But I mean, other than that, I'm loving this phone, loving it. All the accessories, all the stuff. I mean, it's an iPhone, so if you're used to it, you're used to it. I love the speed, the feel, everything. It's just that one issue that has to be lingering and will not fix itself. So if you guys have any kind of idea, or if you fixed it on your phone, please drop me some comments below, because I really would like to fix this issue, and then maybe do a video crediting you and showing people how to actually fix this issue, because it's just, oh my god, it's so irritating. I was using my phone one time and I was uploading something, and all that data was used from my wireless account. Now, luckily I'm blessed and I have the ability to have an unlimited plan. But if I didn't and I only had like a couple gigs and stuff, and I thought that I was on Wi-Fi, then I just got screwed and all that data got used and I'm getting charged and all this stuff when I thought I was on Wi-Fi. So it's a huge problem for certain people, but I don't know. I reached out to Apple. I haven't got anything back. I got the original stuff, which was the stuff I'd already searched for, which was basically, unplug this, reboot this, all that stuff. But nothing has really fixed it. So I'm just asking you guys, if any of you guys have a fix or any of you guys are experiencing this issue, please let's talk about it in the comments below, because we have got to fix this issue. That's pretty much it for me. I just wanted to get this out there and see if anybody else had this issue. Hopefully it's not just me. I've looked online and it's not, but I just want to double check to make sure the last update didn't fix it for you guys, but mine is still acting crazy. Is my device default, not default, but is my device just having issues and need to be returned? I don't know, whatever. But I just wanted to get that out there for everybody to kind of let's just have a discussion about it. So as I said, guys, that's it for me. If you found value in this video, if you could click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos I release. Definitely drop a like on this video. And as always, this is Jason, and I'll catch you in the next one.